Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to make paging directly with the telephones. First of all, we need to have the phones registered. I'm going to use two extensions, the extension from which I'm going to make the paging call, which is 1002, and I'm going to make the paging call to two phones, which are the V60P and the V62W. I'm going to make the paging call from the i507W monitor. Here is a link so you can see how to register the phones. Next, we will go to Call Features, to the Paying Intercom section, and create a paging group. We will give it a name, set it to two-way, and assign it an extension number. At the bottom, we will add only members 1001 and 1000. Once added, we will click Save. We are also going to enable an option to give us a tone before we can make the announcement. We upload a short audio file. It is worth mentioning that this audio file has to be trimmed so that it does not play completely and is only a few seconds long when the announcement starts. I have this file, we add it, select it, and click Save. We wait for it to finish, and once it's done, we go to System Status, Active Calls, and proceed to dial 400 from extension 1002. We start the call, and first we hear music, and a few seconds later the paging lines open. As a second test for paging, we have a Grandstream GRP2601 phone with extension 1014 and a GXV3450 with extension 1000. First, we go to Call Features, Paying Intercom, enter the group we had already created, and scroll down to verify that extension 1014 is also added. Here we already have both 1000 and 1014. We verify that the audio is added so that the tone plays first and then gives us access to the paging. We save and apply the changes. On the phone, we need to enable an option found in Accounts, Call Settings, which is Allow Auto Answer by calling Info. We check that it is enabled. By default, it is already enabled on this phone, but the GXP series does not have it, so we need to enable this option. Now we go to the GXV phone, to Accounts, Call Settings, and here in the Auto Answer option, there are three options: Not Enabled, Enabled, or Only Enable Auto Answer when it is a paging call. We enable the last option and click Save and Apply. On the ippbx, we go to System Status, Active Calls, and dial 400 from the monitor, and the tone is automatically played. We wait there for a moment, and the audio will start. We hang up the call. With this we conclude the test. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.